This is crazy. The top secret lineup of cars. R35.
Something I
top 30, top secret R34 Skyline GT-R. Except they're all done the same way too. Carbon fiber hood, same body finish. Next we have the R33 Skyline GT-R. And then we have the R32 Skyline GT-R from Top Secret. I guess it's a whole family of GT-R that looks exactly the same, but at least a finish. Nicely done. This one's a bit different. I love the finish. It's almost like an ash blue, ash gray blue. Maybe I should do my R32 Skyline GT-R like this when I get it. What do you think? Oh, and then here we got the Gold Series. Top Secret R7 FD3S. Secret Mark 4 Supra. Now Top Secret's going all out this year with many cars all done up the same way. Okay, everyone's just filming the girls here, that's the problem. It's got the R33 Skyline GT-R, the Supra Mark 4. Okay. Alright, got interrupted there for a second. All the dirty old men are just taking pics of the girls. So here we have the RX-7 FD3S. It's basically full car. It's either carbon or gold. With RER Macmia body kit. Here's the Top Secret R32 Skyline GT-R that we briefly looked at yesterday. But we're looking at a bit more details today. So the rear diffuser, full carbon fiber, it's actually pretty thin, I must say. So it's got this piece of carbon fiber here. Oh, okay, that is actually part of the spoiler. It's almost like a duck bill type of spoiler. Super crowded here. So I must say, this body finish is growing on me. It's very different. And then we have the Top Secret R32 Skyline GT-R in gold. Rear diffuser, Top Secret exhaust. Wow, I almost got pushed over there. Moving on is R33 Skyline GT-R. So it's the same style of rear diffuser that they have on all these cars. Top secret. So it's very consistent. They got the same theme. R34 Skyline GT-R. And finally, man, these guys have nothing but GTRs here almost. The R35 Skyline GT-R. Now this diffuser is a bit different. Fully carbon fiber. Giant spoiler. Okay, I'm gonna get out of the way of these guys. So they do have the color matched OZ wheels here. Look at that side skirt, fully carbon fiber. Had to crawl between people here. Huh. And then they got this extra screen. I guess that's for the audio. Running RE Potenza RE71RZ. A beast. Going back to the R34 Skyline GT-R. Running a truss-ready intercooler. Full carbon bonnet. And then back to the R33 Skyline GT-R. Now this one's interesting. It does not have a carbon fiber front lip. Nonetheless, I think this is on purpose because even the side skirt's not carbon fiber, but it's just as aggressive. Back to the gold R32. Now this one's like a hybrid. The side skirt's not carbon fiber, but their front lip has a lower section that's carbon fiber. Definitely a different vibe. Which one's your favorite? Comment and let me know. Top secret R35 Zeek R spec GTR. Sporting the new Potenza RE71RZ in a green finish. Full carbon fiber size skirt. Giant carbon fiber wing. Look at how big this section is. And giant rear diffuser and lower bumper. Now how do you build this? This is not something that you get mold in a day or two, for sure. But with that, it really spells aggressiveness. Mark IV Supra by Top Secret, also in a gold finish. I think comparing to GTRs, this one looks a bit more tame, but it is in the same series. You look at it, same rear diffuser, same gold finish, same style of carbon fiber bonnet. Hell, even the same shift knob in all of them. So I think they've done a good job in actually making everything a whole series.